In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove bookmarks on X. So the first thing you want to do is open up the X app and then make sure you're logged into the account that you want to remove the bookmarks on. Okay, once you're in your account, you can see your profile logo at the top left-hand corner. You want to tap on that profile logo, and then the fourth option down, it says bookmarks. Tap onto bookmarks, and this will show you all the bookmarks that you have done. Okay, and then you can see this button right there. That's the little bookmark icon. So to remove these bookmarks, you just need to tap on that blue bookmark icon, and you can see that they get rid of all the bookmarks. You just repeat that process for all your bookmarks that you have on your X account, and then depending on how many you have, it may take some time, but then it'll say save post for later, and then all your bookmarks will be removed. Okay, if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.